Hey y'all, welcome back to another episode. We haven't done a unboxing in a while, and I've already unboxed this, but I didn't think you needed to watch me fumbling with the box and the knife. This is a new tent. It's a Raynesys. For a long time, we've been wanting a gazelle pop-up tent. If you've seen gazelles, they're kind of awesome, even though a little small. And they're very expensive. This was a fraction of the price. Hi, Lulu. Are you coming to help? Come here. Come say hi. And this was Mom's dog, Lulu. She's now mine. It's supposed to pop up in about a minute, and you have to excuse the noise. We're in the flight path of O'Hare. And that was a United flight. Anyway, this is longer than I expected, but it's about the way I expected it. I'm sure it's not going to be as solid as a gazelle, but see what we got. Hopefully we'll at least get our money's worth. Right, Lulu? Yes, Lulu's excited. Okay, this is what we've got. One of these things. It's about 22 pounds. The floor comes separately. Let me just toss that there for now. Lulu, keep an eye on that for me. We'll put that there. And directions, we don't need no stinking directions. That's handy. Toss that over there. We'll, oh, look at that. And we got a couple of bags of steaks, and that's for the door, and a whatchamacallit thing. Always need a whatchamacallit thing. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Fumbling, stumbling, rumbling. We lift up this end and pop it out. There we go. We popped something out. Woohoo! Let's pop out side two. Well, that's the top. We have to find side two. There it is. Here we go. Are you watching? Side two. Okay, maybe I have to get the backside first. Can you still see me? Sure you can. Side two. Now side three. Okay. Can you still see it? Yeah, it's still in the frame, isn't it? Okay. Stumbling, fumbling, bumbling. And the front side. Woohoo! We did it. How's that look? Maybe back a little. That may have taken me 2 minutes because I have no idea what I'm doing. Here's a door. Oh, and there's a screen door behind the door. That's awesome. Look at that. So now we'll unzip the door. Lulu, excuse me while I pop this up. Hold this down so maybe you can watch me through the screen. There we go. And we're done. That was it. That was just a couple minutes. Whoa. Okay. The instructions or the description says the floor is separate and Velcro's in. But there's a floor. So, oh, this is the fly. Okay. Cool. That makes it even a better deal, I guess. Oh, that's for the fly. So let's take you on a quick walkthrough. You see there's this side and the back side, and the other side's the same. There's the top poles, top hub. Now, I figured this would be small and maybe not enough room for 2 cots, but I may be wrong. This looks bigger than I expected. I could get to 2 cots in here pretty easy. There's your hub. It's protected. Got one of those things. One of the covered hub. Another one of these things. That's a pretty big thing too. Let's check out window. This is actually our intent. Sorry, showed you the neighbor's backyard. I figured this would make, and you see I can roll up the screen here, make a little, hold on. It's hard to do with one hand. Maybe I'll do it later off screen and then come back and show you. But this is the other door with the screen. All these windows, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 windows. 11, 10. Plus the doors. This is, wow. And we got hooks here to hang stuff, maybe. And here's where I hang the blocks. And, yeah. I'm impressed. This is much bigger and better quality than I expected, to be honest. I like the little hooks in the corners. If I stake this down and rope it off, it won't hold up to Chicago winds, but moderate weather, it should do great. These are double zipped here in the corners. Anyway, oh yeah. My original intent was to turn this into a gazebo. We could put a couple of chairs and table out here. I believe that was American Airlines. Anyway, we could set it up next to our regular tent, which, if you missed, is a core with a nice lighted ceiling and all that. Got a great deal on it. But we could set this up next to the core. You see the door, it's a V door or a triangular door. So, yeah, can do the. Anyway, like I said, we can set it up next to our regular tent as a um, gazebo. But if I'm car camping by myself, especially, I could easily put a cot and chair, table. For the money, less than 150 bucks. It was on sale compared to 500 for the Gazelle. It's impressive. Another United. They're busy today. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for following, liking, subscribing, sharing, helpful comments, and most of all, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And I'm going to play with my new toy and see how it works out. Bye!